The first step is to simply go to your system settings. In order to do that, you're gonna have to click on the Apple icon in the top left corner and then click on System Settings. Now after you do that, you're gonna have to go to General, and from here you're gonna have to simply click on Storage. And as you can see, we have this section where it says Applications. Now we're gonna have to simply wait until this finishes loading up and then click on this information button. Here you'll be able to see all your apps that are installed on the MacBook, and you can also filter them by size if you want. Now what we're gonna have to do next is simply select which app we want to uninstall and then select it. After that, click on the delete button and then click on delete again, and basically that's all you have to do. So this is the best and the only way to get rid of apps on your Mac. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.